So hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to unlock Revenant in Elden Ring Nightreign. So to unlock Revenant, you have to go to the small jar bazaar right here, and you have to buy the Beamish frame here. I already bought it. Then after that, after bought the frame, you need to go somewhere here, and you will see like a ghost of Revenant that you need to fight in order to have her. So we're just gonna go to the place where she hangs out after by the Beamish frame. So she hangs out here in this spot right here. I'll post a picture of her ghost right here, and you can just interact with her. Then you're going to try and defeat her. I will suggest you guys using Iron Eye because taking care of her summons is easier in range. So I suggest picking up Helen first, then Frederick, the big guy, then lastly the skeleton. Then you can go and defeat Revenant because she has a squishy health and really not that tanky. Then after that you unlock Revenant, and she's pretty cool. I like Revenant. Revenant's skill is pretty nice. So her weapon is her ghost thingy here. So this is an exclusive weapon for her, and I would suggest you use a relic increase fist damage because this is a fist weapon for some reason. So yeah, that's her main weapon. You can also use summons like Helen for really fast small enemies, Frederick for big stuff, big enemies and stuff like that, medium size, and Sebastian. So fun fact about Sebastian, you can climb over him like this. He deals really good damage, but he's mostly stationary like this. He hits pretty hard and stuff, can do staggers, so it's pretty good. It also has some beam thingy. So yeah guys, that's how you unlock Revenant. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and as always I will see you guys on the next video that I will make.